Probably my funniest and favourite memory is when I was young working here in the van. I had a customer come up and he said, "I'll have 6 marriage savers, thank you." And I sort of went, What are you talking about? It's like, I want marriage savers. He wanted his donuts and that's what he called them.
My name's Carl. We're outside the American Doughnut Kitchen, which is a family business. I've been involved for the last 47 years. The business was established in 1950 by my father-in-law and Dave Christie, his business partner.
They bought a recipe from another man named Kiffer and they built the 2 vans and they've just continued on ever since.
Talk about challenges.
Every business faces its challenges.
It does. You have to look at each day trading in different ways. There's new challenges come up all the time. Our biggest challenge is actually the weather. We live and die on the weather.
Because the donuts are a yeast-based product, when it's too hot, they come up really fast. And then in winter, when it's cold, we actually have to use some heaters to bring them up as well. If it's really, really hot, 40-degree days, we just don't trade.
One of the reasons they're so iconic is they're consistent. For 66 years, we have provided Melbourne with a totally consistent product. It is fresh every single day of trading.
I just came to visit Melbourne. I have a friend that lives in Singapore with me that is from Melbourne area, and she told me I have to come to the Queen Victoria Market and try these amazing donuts. So I'm here trying them.
It's unfortunate that we didn't maintain a guest book over all the years because it would make very, very interesting reading. Bottom line, we're only as good as our customers.
That's right, and our staff.